Okay, welcome back to once again our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about intensity of electric field, intensity of electric field on a axial line of electric dipole. First, discuss about axial line. What is axial line? Axial line. So first, see definition of axial line. Now consider this is A point A and B. Okay. Now so it is a negative charge, it is a positive charge. Two charges are located at different point A and point B. These are uh, opposite and equal. Equal and opposite charges are separated. Certain distance is called as dipole. Here, axial line. Axial line means what here? What is mean axial line? A line is a line is passing along. A line is passing passing along along axis of axis of dipole 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 is called axial line. Which line? Axial line. Axial axial line. See here, it is a dipole. A line is passing a line is passing a line is passing along the axis of which dipole is called axial line. ఇది డైపోల్ అనుకుంటే ఆ డైపోల్ అక్షం వెంబడి ఒక లైన్ కనుక పోతే ఆ లైన్ ఏమంటాం మనం యాక్సల్ లైన్ అంటాం. విచ్ లైన్? యాక్సల్ లైన్. నౌ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద intensity of electric field on a axial line of dipole. That is our question. Now see here, it is about axial line. This is the definition of axial line. Now see, now electric field, it means electric field electric field on axial line of dipole. This is our question. This is a 4 marks important in IP examination, both AP and Telangana. Now see here, take one. This is a dipole. Okay, A and B. Clear na? So let us consider here O is the midpoint of the dipole. Now take negative charge at point A, positive charge at point B. Clear na? Now, what is the length of the dipole? 2L, 2A or A, 2A, 2A. So the distance between A to O is what na? A. And also the distance between O to B is A. Clear na? Now we have to find the intensity of electric field at point P. ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. పాయింట్ P దగ్గర ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. నౌ సీ హియర్, ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ హౌ టు కన్సిడర్ ద intensity of electric field at point P due to negative charge. E at P due to negative charge. ఫార్ములా ఏంటి అంటే E Q negative Q, that is equal to what is our formula? So and again consider the distance between O to P is R. This one is a very important. What is the distance between center to the point P is what? R. This is very important. Consider. Now here, first intensity of electric field at point P due to negative charge. Formula ఏంటిది? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into. Now let us consider uh, Q naught. Q naught is the test charge. Q naught is the test charge. The force in between minus A and this is a positive charge. It means test charge is nothing but positive charge. So these two charges are attracted each other. It means the intensity of electric field, the direction is this is the direction. It is moving towards the field. It is moving towards the field and field కు లోపలికి వస్తూ ఉంది. That is equal. So here Q by R square. R square అంటే లెంత్ అనేది సో P నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు కన్సిడర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే సో సెంటర్ టు P is R, the distance, and remaining distance O to A is what? A. అంటే R plus A. R plus A square. This is the intensity of electric field at P due to which charge? Negative charge. Okay. Similarly, intensity of electric field E at E means what? Intensity of electric at P due to which charge? Positive charge. Positive charge వల్ల intensity of electric field ఏమవుతుంది? E positive, that is equal to similarly 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. R square అంటే now see here intensity of electric field due to positive charge at a point P. So this is a positive charge, this is also positive charge. So both are repelled because they are similar charges. It means the intensity of electric field direction is this side. It is away from the field. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎట్ పాయింట్ P అంటే ఇక్కడ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే O2 ఇక్కడ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏంటి? R. సో ఇంకెంత డిస్టెన్స్ తగ్గింది? మైనస్ A. అంటే R minus A whole square. క్లియర్ నా? దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. అంటే ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ అనేది ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ అవే ఫ్రమ్ ది ఫీల్డ్ నుంచి బయటికి పోతా ఉంది పాజిటివ్ వల్ల. ఓకే. నౌ ఐ వాంట్ నెట్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఎట్ P. అంటే నెట్ అంటే ఏంటి? లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఏముంది? P అనేది పాజిటివ్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చేది లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్, సో నెగిటివ్ వాళ్ళు వచ్చేది తక్కువ డిస్టెన్స్. అంటే intensity of electric field is equal to E plus Q minus E minus Q. అప్పుడు దీని నుంచి ఇది తీసేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేది ఏంటిది? నెట్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్. అంటే సిఆర్ E is equal to EQ. EQ అంటే ఏమొచ్చింది ఇక్కడ మనకి? 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R minus A whole square. అంటే 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by what here? R minus A whole square minus similarly E minus Q ఏమొచ్చింది? ఈక్వేషన్ 1 వచ్చింది. అంటే 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R plus A whole square. Now here take common. Which one is the common? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q is the common. Okay. E is equal to what here? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is the common. What is the remaining? 1 by R minus A whole square minus of 1 by R plus A whole square. This is the remaining. Now see here, take LCM. E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is in the form of A plus B whole square na? It means what here? R square plus A square plus 2AR minus this one. It is A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square is what here? R square minus plus A square minus 2AR. Okay na? By A plus B into A minus B. అంటే R square minus A square whole square. Is it clear now? Here, this one is the cancel, this one is the cancel. Plus a square minus a square plus r square minus r square get cancelled. Here, minus into minus plus 2ar plus 2ar plus 2ar. How much? 4ar. Ante E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2 4ar. What is that? 4ar. That equal to, it can be written as 2ar can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 a into r by 4 pi epsilon naught na. Is it clear? Clear Aicha? Already you know that 2 a into r is equal to p na. This is the dipole moment. Electric dipole moment is equal to what? Length and charge. Length and, it is q untadi ikkada q. Ikkada q. That is equal to what? Q. Now see here. అంటే దీని ప్లేస్లో ఏం రాయొచ్చు ఇప్పుడు? 2aq is equal to what? P. అంటే 2 into this is P into R by 4 pi epsilon naught. 4 pi epsilon naught, which equal to intensity of electric field equal to. But here by ఇక్కడ ఏముంది ఇక్కడ whole by r square minus a square whole square. R square minus a square whole square. See here, compare a and r distance. Compare a and r. Which distance is small? A or r. Which distance is small? A is very small. So here in this term a can be negligible. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం? A ని negligible చేస్తే what is the remaining? R power 4. R power 4 because R is very greater than A. R is very greater than A. So here A is negligible. So here R get cancelled. What is the remaining? See here. I will write here. E is equal to 2p by 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube. This is the intensity of electric field on a axial line of dipole. This is the very important for 4 marks in IP examination. So ఈ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఓకే.